Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So finally, results have been declared and I hope all of you must have checked it, and I have got lots and lots of results from my students, right? I'll be sharing few of them with you. So first of all, congratulations to all those who have cleared their group or cleared their CA inter and moved on to the CA final level. That's great, sir. Right? So many congratulations to you and your family. It's your hard work that has really paid off, right? All credit to you, your hard work, your dedication, your attempt in the examination, because all these things matter above all, right? Now I'm making this video for those people who couldn't clear this time, right? How to prepare now for at least costing and FM, how they should be preparing. Guys, do watch the video till the end because I have some important informations to be shared, some important courses that I'm coming up with, right, that I'll share at the end. So do watch the video till the end. First of all, I would like to say that, guys, even if you couldn't clear this time, this is not the end of the road, right? This is just the beginning. I'll share with you some of the stories, one or two inspirational stories that will really help you come out of this, right? I know it is disappointing to not clear the exam because all of you must have put in your best efforts, right? But still, this is not the end of the road. This is just the beginning of a new story. Something better is in store for you people. Okay, so do not get disappointed. Get yourself up, prepare well, try to find out where you lagged, right? And try to cover up the weak areas. Now, what I'm going to share with you is, I'm going to share with you some of the screenshots that I received, some of the results, 3 or 4 results. I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to share stories also, right? So the first result, this result is one of my student who has subscribed to my fast track batch, right? And my ICI SM series. Then she was there with the handbooks also because of the fast track batch. And she couldn't clear the last time and she scored 53 marks this time. She was constantly in touch with me through WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp screenshot, right? Hetwa Joshi. And she was a very dedicated student. She has been doing the cost accounting from me, subscribed to the fast track, subscribed to the ICI SM series also, right? She was there right from the last 1 to 1.5 years. She was there with me and she has been constantly asking her queries through WhatsApp. And this time she cleared with 53 marks, right? So important thing, do not give up on your dreams. Then this Harini, she was my mobile app student. This time only she was there on the mobile app and she has subscribed to the fast track batch, English one, right? And she scored 53 in costing. So that is why I say, sir, every course is important. Now this girl Nikita Yadav, see, this is on the Telegram that I received. Thank you so much, sir. Costing, I watched only your YouTube lectures and scored 61 marks. With only and only YouTube lectures, she has scored 61 marks, right? So this is not a joke. Sir, that is why I'm showing you this, because this is to break a journal mentality which a lot of students are carrying, that, sir, if it is these are free lectures, these are not quality lectures. No, then if these are not the quality lectures, then how the people are scoring 61 marks, right? Because along with the lectures, your efforts also matter. That is what you are not ready to put in. Your efforts matter a lot, right? These are from just my YouTube lectures, no handbooks, no other courses subscribed, just from my YouTube lectures, right? So people are scoring exemptions, if not 90s or 95s or 100s, people are scoring exemption. And you know, in the CA, each and every mark matters. Each and every mark, each and every exemption matters. Sir, 61 is not a joke, right? And now I'll show you this story, very inspirational one. I will say, this guy Kaustubh Agarwal, he messaged me on Instagram that, sir, because of your free lectures on YouTube, I cleared my group 2. He couldn't clear FM Eco from the last 2 attempts he was trying. He was scoring 32 and 30 marks. This doesn't mean that he was not preparing well or, he was, whatever you can say, because I'll tell you why. This time he studied from the YouTube lectures. He took all the lectures from 1 to last. That means he followed each and every lecture thoroughly by heart and he got the exemption. I think his marks are 64. A similar story I got it on the YouTube also. That guy scored 32 marks in 34 marks, I think. 34 marks in FM Eco in the last attempt, and this attempt he scored 62 marks. Just studying from the YouTube lectures. I didn't know this guy, Kosovo. I didn't know this guy. He was just studying from the YouTube lectures only, right? No personal interaction before this. So he studied, he converted his marks from 30 to 30, then 64 marks. And guys, I tell you, this guy, he wasn't my costing student, right? He might have studied a few concepts of costing, and he had scored 95 marks in costing. I think back in 2018. Sir, how did you know it? Because he told me that, right? So that means he's a brilliant mind. What required is just a direction to a brilliant mind. Each and every is a brilliant mind. Everyone who is doing a chartered accountancy course is a brilliant mind. What you need is only the right direction. He got the right direction, right? From the YouTube lectures only. This is what I have always been saying, that sir, these lectures are useful for each and every one. These are the full lecture, regular lectures, and you can easily score exemptions, sir. Converting 30 marks into 64 marks, not a joke, sir. Converting 34 to 62 marks. I just go to my YouTube and see the yesterday's video. When the result was announced, I put up one video to share your views on that. See the comment section. You will see the comment section in the comment section or on the community. I'm not sure about it, whether it was on community or on that video. Check the comment section. You will find a comment where a student has told me that, sir, I converted from 34 to 62 marks just from the YouTube lectures. So these are the few things that you need to understand. What? You need the direction. You are totally capable. Some people, some students say that, sir, we couldn't clear. I think we are not fit for this course. We are not capable for this course. Each and every one of you are capable for this course. Don't underestimate yourself or don't overestimate yourself, right? What you have to do is you have to just do the things in the right way. That is important. Do the things in the right way. Now, I'll come to the main point now. How to prepare for costing FM and Eco if you couldn't clear this time, right? What all things can help you in costing an FM and Eco. Now, importantly, you have approximately 2 months, right? So you have approximately 2 months, and say if you are preparing for one group, you have 4 subjects to prepare for, right? Along with costing, you will be preparing for accounts, law, and taxation. So what you need to do is, you need to first identify that which subject is your weakest. Pick up that subject. For example, say costing is your weakest subject, right? Pick one subject along with this one, right? You can pick up law with this, right? Pick one subject with it. Now, for costing, you need to identify the sources from where you want to study. Then follow that source only, right? Whether you want to study from me or from somewhere else, whatever is the source, identify the source from where you want to study. Similar is the case with FM and Eco. The biggest problem is that we look for multiple sources. We say we'll do lectures from one teacher, we'll do the notes from another teacher, we'll do the questions from the third teacher. So everything is mixed up. Just follow one teacher. I'll say every teacher is good. Just follow one teacher. Just follow one source. That is important. Now, about the costing, I'm going to talk about the costing first, right? Now, in costing, you have 2 options, either to go for my YouTube lectures. You have the option of going for the YouTube lectures, right? Along with the YouTube lectures, what can help you is the handbooks. I have some special announcements regarding this. I'll make it at the end, right? So do watch it till the end. YouTube lectures plus handbooks, plus the most important thing, that is the ICAI SM series. ICAI SM series. See, this ICAI SM series is very, very important. People have been scoring 80 plus marks by joining this series only, even if you are not going for the handbooks or whatever. Just by joining the ICAI, because SM is the most important base. Why I am saying handbooks, sir? Why I am saying handbooks? Because in the July 21 attempt, there was a question in the process costing which was nowhere in the SM or anything. It was there in my handbook. A similar question was there in my handbook, and my students were able to attempt it easily. Right? So sometimes a question is there which is not available in the SM or everywhere. Right? So some questions can be asked in the examination like this. So what is the second option? Second option is the fast track batch. Fast track batch. Right? In the fast track batch, you will get the handbooks with it, whether you go for the soft copy or whether you go for the hard copy. That is your option. The various options are available on my Android mobile app. Right? So various options are there on my Android mobile app for the fast track, with soft copy, with hard copy, plus the ICAI SM series. Plus the ICAI SM series. Right? So these are the two options that you can go for, and the prices are very, very nominal. These, don't think it as a cost. I always say think it as an investment that you are making in your future. Right? Say you are putting some money in the bank. Why you put some money in the bank? So you can earn interest in the future, isn't it? That is what you are doing. Put some money in your books, in your studies for the future. So this is the second option, that is the fast track batch. All the options are available on the mobile app, with soft copy, with hard copy, with ICAI SM series, without ICAI SM series, and very importantly, fast track lectures are available in Hindi also and English also. YouTube lectures complete available in Hindi. English batch is still going on. English batch is still going on. Right? Now, the important announcement regarding the handbooks and the ICAI SM series. ICAI SM series is currently available in Hindi only, right? Not available in English, but I have a special announcement for the English students. Do watch it till the end. For the handbooks, guys, who couldn't clear the exams this time, what they have to do is they can get the cost accounting handbook duo. Handbook duo containing the concept book and the solved question book. The price of this book is $13.99. Right? For the people, right, we are trying to help as much as possible to all those who couldn't clear the exams. Obviously, you must have invested somewhere, right? So we don't want to be heavy on your pockets. So what we have decided is we are ready to give you these books on cost to cost basis, that is 1,000 rupees only. What you people have to do is you have to send your mark sheet, right? To avail this thing, what you have to do is send your mark sheet at ksjteaching@gmail.com. ksjteaching@gmail.com. Then after that, sir, you will receive a coupon code relating to the book. You can use that coupon code only once, right? You can order the books from our website, and while placing the order on the cart section, you have to apply that coupon code that we will provide you. Clear? You have to use that coupon code and you will get the books for flat 1,000 rupees, in which you will be getting the concept book as well as the solved question book. This is for the handbook duo. Okay? Handbook trio will be at regular prices. Right, sir? So this is one important announcement. This is one important benefit that you people can take. Now, talking about the FM Eco. Talking about FM Eco. Sir, what are the possible options? Possible options is YouTube lectures. Right? Complete lectures are available for FM Eco, and as you have seen, the people are scoring exemptions. Right? I have a list of exemptions. I'll send you if you want. I have a list where the people have scored exemptions. YouTube lectures, then are the handbooks of FM and Eco. Both are available. Right? After that, FM ICAI SM series. Again, like costing, FM ICAI SM series. One of the, again, most important series that you people can join, in which we have covered each and every question of the ICAI SM. Right? So this is what all you have to do. Again, for FM, in the handbooks, again, I have the same announcement for FM Handbook Duo. For FM Handbook Duo, you will get the books for 1000 rupees. You have to follow the same pattern. Send the mark sheet at ksjteaching@gmail.com. You will get the coupon code. For economics, there is no change, guys, because economics books are already at a very affordable prices, $8.99. Right? So economics book will remain the same. On costing, Handbook Duo and FM Duo, we are providing the books for 1000 rupees. You have to just send the mark sheet, and please be careful that while placing the order, your name on the mark sheet and your name on the order should be same. Otherwise, your order will be cancelled. Right? The books will not be dispatched to you. So you can use that coupon only once. Once for FM Duo, once for costing duo. Okay. So this is how. Now you have to decide in the next 2 months how you need to plan it, right? If you have time, you can go for the YouTube lectures, no issues with it, but definitely you have to go for the ICI SM series. That is the most important part. If you are able to understand the intricacies of each and every question of ICI SM, then half the job is done. Right? ICI SM सबसे ज़्यादा important है guys, सबसे ज़्यादा. एटलीस्ट 50-60 मार्क्स आपके आराम से आ जाएंगे. अगर SM भी करके जाओगे ना सिर्फ, तब भी आ जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. राइट? सो दिस सीरीज इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ सिमिलरली फॉर द FM, now you need to decide that how to divide my chapters. First, identify which are your weak chapters. Like one people say that standard costing is my weakest chapter. Okay, go for the concepts of standard costing first. All the concepts are available on the YouTube or fast track batch, whatever you are going. This fast track batches I have kept very affordable, guys. With soft copy it is available for only 999. With hard copy it is available for 1,999. With ICI SM series it is for 2,999. So very affordable fast track batches if you think that you have less of time. Approximately 40 to 45 hours where we have covered all the concepts, right? Along with the questions, obviously. Okay. Now, one of the most important announcements I can say, or I want the views from you people. What we are planning to do is we are planning to go for, first time, we are planning to go for a live batch. Sir, live batch of what? A lot of people have been asking me about the English ICI SM series. English ICI SM series. Right? I've been getting lots of comments, lots of messages, lots of emails that, sir, please provide the ICI SM series in English. In Hindi, it is already available. On the mobile app, it is already available. So what we are planning is that instead of providing you with just the recorded lectures, let's go live batch this time. Live batch, it will be a paid course. It will be a paid course. The prices you will get to know on the app only whenever we are going to launch that. So download the Android app. The link is given in the video description, or search in the Play Store KSJ Teaching. Live batch will be conducted on the app itself. Right? If we go for the live batch will be conducted on the app itself. So I want in the comment section, I want to know that how many of you are joining it. How many of you are absolutely ready to join it, sir? Please provide it. Because this batch will be for December 21 students. We want to start it as soon as possible. In this batch, along with the live session, we will be doing the interactions, query sessions we'll be holding in the live batch. We'll have the query session also after every class. Right? That is very important thing. And after that, you will get the recorded backup also. If you are not able to attend any live class, you will get the recorded class. That is not an issue. Okay. So this is one important thing that we are planning for. And I'll let you know for this. What you people have to do is you have to just join my Telegram group and the channel. The links are in the video description, and you have to download our Android mobile app from the Play Store. Right? All these courses, handbooks you have to buy from the website. These handbooks, if you want to buy it, you have to buy it from the website. Fast Track Batch, ICI SM series, you can buy from the Android mobile app. The lectures will play in the app. You will get immediate access. Within 5 minutes, you will get the access to the videos. And if you want to play the Fast Track or ICI SM series on the laptop, then you have to buy it from our website. Okay. Then you have to buy it from our website, and that will take 24 hours for activation. Approximately, but it may take the less time also. Right? So this live batch thing, I want all those who are interested, they should tell me in the comment section that yes sir, launch it, we are ready for you. And in this live batch we'll have the query session also. That is important thing, the query session, because what we felt was this query session was missing. Right? In the recorded sessions, this query session gets missing. So this is one thing, right? And Importantly, all those who will be subscribing to any of the courses, that is handbooks, fast track batch or ICAI SM series, they will get my WhatsApp query support, 100% query support, and these students have been getting that query support, all those who have subscribed to this, right? So you will be getting the query support. So don't get yourself down, guys. Get yourself up and going. Okay, just plan your studies, just plan whatever you want to do, and most importantly, I told you, just plan your source from where you want to study and follow that one source only. That is the most important thing. Okay, and I have told you about this opportunity also of the Costing Handbook Duo and FM Handbook Duo for 1000 each. You have to send the mark sheet at ksjteaching@gmail.com, and you have to tell me that which book you want to buy. We'll send you the coupon code. You can use that coupon code and place your order on the website, right? The settings on the website have already been done. We just need to give you the coupon code. Apply that coupon code, you will get the books. Okay, hard copy of the books, not the soft copy of the books. You can get the hard copy of the books. Right, sir? I hope that you people are now ready for another battle in December 2021, just 2 months away. And you people will definitely clear in the December 21 exams. Just give your best, identify your mistakes and give your best thing. Then I think the rest God will take care of, right? And rest ICAI will take care of. Just force ICAI to pass you. This should be your attempt, that ICAI is forced to pass you, that this student has written such a good attempt that we can't fail him, right? So guys, get ready, join whichever course you want to do. My suggestion is to go for at least the ICAI SM series. You must go on our Android mobile app. That is one of the brilliant series, and once you join it, you will feel the difference, right? It is approximately 30 hours for costing and approximately I think 15 hours for FM, somewhere like that, right? Total around 45 hours of ICAI SM series, and you will feel the difference with the depth with which we have discussed, right? So, and please tell me about this live batch also. I want the comments from you people, that how many people are joining me in the live batch, right? So do tell me. We are planning for that, so we can start with as soon as possible with you people, right? So see you guys. All the best for your preparations. All the best for the next battle on December 2021, and you people should be ready for it. Go for it, and you people will definitely clear. All the best for your preparations. God bless you all. Thank you so much.